everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today is part of a collaboration called the Fresh and Fruity Watermelon Tablescape. So I cannot wait for you to join, guys. This is going to be fun. Definitely something you want to use now during the spring and summer, and it's going to be fun, but it's also going to be beautiful and elegant. Let's get started. Now, hosting in this collaboration is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now let's get started over here on the left. So here we have a half ball of roses and some greenery, looks beautiful. Then we have the candles. They came from the Dollar Tree, and the candle holders and the ginger jar were thrifted items. Then we have that beautiful watermelon plaque here that looks like a tag. That was a DIY that I created in one of my videos that are coming up. Okay, so here we have the napkin with the cherries. That was a DIY. I think it came out absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you that in a later video. So here's the place setting, guys. Isn't this beautiful? I'm loving it, guys. It looks fun, but it also looks elegant. So let's take this down. So here we have the half watermelon plate, and this came from the Dollar Tree, as well as the dinner plate, which is melamine. Isn't that beautiful? So both pieces paired really nicely together. Then we have the charger, which came from Hobby Lobby. Beautiful, guys. I had so much fun putting this tablescape together. Now we have these placemats the Dollar Tree was carrying a little while back. And of course we have the flatware, which came from Party City. Here we have that wine glass that came from the Dollar Tree. The water glass was a thrifted item. I also have that garland running across the table, which is lamb's ear, beautiful. Now this was a DIY, these cherry napkin rings. That's coming up in a future video. And now here we have the fat quarter that I DIY'd to place here on the napkin, so that all of it paired up so nicely and everything on this table was budget friendly. So now we're going to place everything back. There's the charger, there's the plates, and I'm loving how I decided to go ahead and put that half dish here that looks like a watermelon on the top part of that plate. And then I angled the fork over to the side, and I think this came out gorgeous. So beautiful, so fun. So refreshing. You can do this tablescape indoor, outdoor, wherever you would like. I think it came out beautiful, and I hope you agree. So we'll be heading on over to the reveal shortly. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to leave a beautiful comment. Have an amazing day, and God bless you guys. Amen.